I've read and collected several newspaper articles from the late 60s, early 70s. I've talked to people that were still seeing whatever this thing was in the TNT area, and it was well after 1966, 67.
Some people describe the wings as looking like bat wings. Some describe him as having feathers. He looked flesh and blood, but yet his eyes looked electrical.
By the time I sat up to look out the window, because I thought whatever this was going to fly right into the window, the wingspan of this covered the windows.
I almost get the feeling that once it was suggested in the movie that people had seen the Mothman at Chernobyl, I think it became sort of part of urban legend.
It kind of stands up a little bit and puts out what I assumed were wings, I mean, arms, something. And they reached almost the side of the road.
So I immediately woke up, and when I did, there was this figure standing beside the bed.